today won't last forever. Whenever we burn coal or oil, known as fossil fuels, we release pollutants into our air and water. What if there were an energy-producing device that used a renewable fuel resource? One that operated with clean, quiet efficiency, and instead of leaving behind smog and chemical byproducts, produced as its waste clean water.
Oh my.
That device is here now, and it's called the fuel cell. It's already proven itself as a trusted technology during NASA's Gemini, Apollo, and Space Shuttle programs. And someday, in the not-too-distant future, the fuel cell will become a leading source of power, transportation, and electrical generation here on the ground and in the air. NASA is changing the future of aviation by developing fuel cell technologies for power and propulsion. But what is a fuel cell? Here's an easy comparison. To some extent, you can think of the batteries that power your electronic devices as fuel cells. Like a battery, a fuel cell generates electricity by a chemical reaction. But while a battery has all the chemistry it needs to generate power inside of it, a fuel cell must be constantly fed a fuel to keep it operational. In the most basic fuel cell, a supply of both hydrogen and oxygen are fed to the cell to produce power. Both are clean resources, which, when combined, produce heat and water, a clean and safe byproduct. While fuel cells have a role in our present and future, their science is deeply rooted in the past. As far back as the mid-1800s, scientists have been intrigued by the possibility of generating electricity with fuel cells. Although the fundamental principles have remained the same, new fuels and materials point toward even more exciting possibilities. But before fuel cells can be put to work in aviation, further advances will be necessary. Primary focus is on the fuel cell's weight and power. Aircraft engines are by design energy dense. That means a great deal of power is confined to a very small area, and the engine must be light. In order for a fuel cell to become an airworthy source of power, both its size and its weight must be reduced. Yet, the opportunities outnumber the challenges. There are many more reasons to believe in the benefits of fuel cell technology. The science is sound and proven. In laboratories at the NASA Glenn Research Center, the goal is to develop lighter weight, higher power fuel cells for use in aircraft, which will make them a practical source of power and propulsion for aviation. After all, shouldn't the technology that has already helped take man to the moon be considered as planet Earth's hope for the future of clean, quiet, and efficient energy?